Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Publisher Tutorial and in this video I'll present to you how to add bullet points in Microsoft Publisher. So let's do it. First I open a publication here and this is the text box and I want this text box to add bullet points. So I select the text. I select all the text to add bullet points. So the text is selected and now I go to the paragraph group here and I see here the bullets and I click it. When I click the bullets, I find here different kind of bullets and you change the bullets in the text here. Just look, and this is another one bullet, this is one, and this is the arrow bullets and diamond bullets, and you can also see here star. I click here and then you can see the text here create a bullet. Every text has a bullet here, and then I go again the bullets and then I click here bullet and numbering, and you can change here in your custom bullets. Just click here and then you go to the character and you can create the character to as a bullet. Just I click here then click OK. You can see the bullet has turned into the character bullet. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy my video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.